What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can open or create a Pocket Option account. So first off, you would need to get to this website right here, the registration page. And you can do this by simply clicking the first link in the description or just googling Pocket Option in your browser. Also, if you use the link from the description or the promo code, as you can see, you can input it here, you will get a $50 welcome bonus once you create your account. And now let's get started. So once you're on this page right here, you would just need to select the registration option. So not the login option, but the registration one. Now here you would just need to input the email address that you would like to be associated with your Pocket Option account, the password of your account, and the promo code from the description if you want to use it right here. Now once you input everything, you can just go ahead and click "I've read and accepted the following agreement." Also, I can't use my own promo code, so that's why I didn't input it. Now you can just go ahead and click sign up right here, then confirm the CAPTCHA, and after that just go ahead and click sign up. Now technically your account is created, but you would need to input the region or the country that you're from and also the currency. So I would advise you to stick with your own country's currency to avoid any exchange rate or currency fees. So I will just select Euro here and click confirm. And now to finish with the account activation, you would need to deposit some funds into your Pocket Option account. So you can just go ahead and click deposit right here. And here you have a lot of depositing options for your Pocket Option account. So from here, just go ahead and select the option that you would like to use. And from there, once you fund your account, you will get the $50 bonus. After your account is funded, you can go over to the trading tab and select the trading account that you would like to use, and from there you can start trading. So that's guys how you can open a Pocket Option account on desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.